Hi everyone, welcome back to Asuka method. Today's session is Imperial vocals from our balance series designed to build endurance, strength and correct your posture. Let's find your inner strength and enjoy the class together. Legs are closed and start lifting right foot up. And turn the right leg out and make sure that your pelvis is closed and square. Keep activating the core and place the foot next to your left thigh. And to feel the lengthening, we lift the arm up. And make sure that the shoulders are open, pelvis is square. And close the right leg and place behind your back. We have lunge, make sure that your pelvis is square. Feel the lengthening in the spine. And you start turning the right leg out from your hip joint. And make sure left knee goes the direction of the toes. And extend the arms front and back. And lift both arms up and we twist to the other side. And keep the shoulders open and the pelvis square. And we close the right leg to the left. Extend the arm up and gather the hands and we twist. Bend the knees and make sure that the legs and feet are closed. With the right elbow, you push the left knee to open the shoulder and to feel more twist from the spine. And look above. And we come back, lift the right foot up, place the foot above your left knee and bend the upper body forward and feel the long spine and keep activating the core. And close. Good. Let's continue to the other side. Keep breathing and feel the lengthening lift up. And place the foot next to your thigh and relax your neck. And lift the arms up. Turn your leg in and step back. Lunge. The pelvis is square. Turn the back leg out, extend arm front and back. The arms up and we twist to the other side. Back leg is now parallel. Keep the shoulders open, the pelvis square. Keep the long neck. Gather your hands and twist from the spine. Keep pushing the right knee with the left elbow. And we stand up and lift your left leg up and place the left foot above your right knee and bend forward. Keep activating the core to find the lengthening.